Two, I wasn't finished. The phone just broke up. As I told you, I need somebody to help me with this shit, man. This is getting too much. But I hope YouTube will have my videos, and maybe in a year some people will watch it. Now it's only Tinfoil and I don't know, Mark maybe, but it will be more. But I will not be there anymore. I will not check this stuff. I will. It's up to you. It's up to you to analyze it. This is so fucking deep. I mean, this is my life. Not my life. Society, analyzation of society. If you are so stupid that you don't understand those details, then you don't deserve to watch me. You don't understand how deep this goes. We can, or I don't want to. Yeah, the Americans are so like, tell me your. It's like saying like this. A baby that's newborn has no value because it's just a little baby. That's where they're at pretty much. They don't see potential. They don't see the unlimited what do you call it? Unlimited life force, or it's like saying to me that if I make a video that you don't like, then my whole personality is some shit. But say that to a newborn baby, then that's the same mentality. And newborn babies are most valued in all of the world, but you don't understand that. Because you're jealous. I don't know what your problem is. I don't understand it, man. I don't understand what the fuck your problem is. I don't understand it, man. It's some American mentality. My dad said it's from Christianity. Christians have, but I don't see that in South America. They don't do that like you do. They will never do that. Never. I got a good comment from a guy from Mexico on a drug video. Some American mentality. I don't know where it comes from. It's completely insane. You want to go to the gym and be Arnold Schwarzenegger, so I mean, it's fucking insane, and you die like when you're 50 for doing this and take steroids. I don't understand, man. I lived there. I know. Yeah, we have a better life here in a way than you do. Maybe not me, but well, not them either. But it used to be. It used to be completely different. Yeah, dude. Well, I had some fucking intelligent friends. I met some great people, but I went to abroad for many years, then you lose people, People move away, or, you will not talk to them anymore. Oh my God. Oh, the battery is gone. Okay, so I can't listen to music anymore now. So now I have to have an adapter. Okay. Now here we go again. Okay. Here we go. Where is it? I wasn't finished. I won't finish. Wait. I will not surrender to the shit. Where can I put? Maybe this I can pull out. What is this? And then I have 4, and I have all this occupied, so I have to take a chance now. Otherwise, the computer's gonna be dead or some shit, you know. So I told you. This is a full-time job, man. Can we do this now? Yeah, I will not fucking give up. I would do it. I would pump it out as long as I live, because I've seen how disgusting society is, you know. Thumbs down, you know, so soon as you post something. And I tried to take that away, and I couldn't even take that away, you know, the thumbs down function. So now you can even, now you have to have the thumbs down. So I understand. So YouTube, you know, they can pretty much go in and do like 3,000 thumbs down, and so your video will never fucking get displayed, never in the history. And they show 11-year-olds wearing makeup, dude. I mean, I've been fucking, I watched some videos and I was like, 200-300 million viewers, you know. It's like masturbation. Or any subject, makeup, or and they're so fake people that it's, and I don't think the new generation is like that, because I've talked to like young people, you know. I talk to and they're not stupid, you know. So I don't know where this comes from. Maybe, I mean, most of them are, but not all of them, you know. So weird. When I take my eye drops, everything it looks clear. It's very strange. I talked about this already. Start to get cold in here. Yeah. No, but not every youth is stupid, you know. But I didn't like, you know, Mark said, well, they can play like Ingrid Malmsteen or something like that. But why is that important? That's just speed, you know. Like a Chinese little 4-year-old can do that shit, you know. What we need is free thinkers, you know. We need free thinkers. That's what we need. That can analyze society and see through the shit like I do, you know. Me, I hope I would, maybe if I have a son, I would teach him all this shit, you know. I was like, as Mark said, thank you. Raw talent, that's what I was, you know. Then I always had dreams and thoughts, and being very, 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 very deep. So don't forget that. I'm not like a robot, you know. I'm not like, I cannot explain my dreams, you know. That's another dimension when I was younger, you know, not, even today, you know. And um, notification again. Okay, thank you. What is it now? Is it Facebook comment? Oh, I got a mail from some. Well, I have to listen to this music, otherwise I will not get inspired. This will be fucking a graveyard, you know. I lost thought again. because of this shit. 10 minutes. Okay, we can do it, right? Yeah, I was, well, I don't know, first of all, I don't know how, you don't know how I think. I don't know how you think, you know. I can tell you my inner world is greater or better or anything like that. When I'm talking about when you're young, when people get older, they're all dead inside. That's what I see anywhere because they don't show anything else. But when you're a kid, you still have imagination and all those things, you know. So, but here all they do is they go to work. My God, I play with the lights. Crazy. Yeah, they go to work and they go to the gym and they want to have want to watch a movie on Friday night and they do it all over again or some shit, you know. And they try to convince them that they're happy, and when they live with somebody that they don't not really love, you know, and have kids they don't want, you know. That's how it goes, you know. I will send you this video, Tinfoil, when my ass get better, when I was filming outside in Sweden. But I can do it right now. How crazy this is. This is, we have lights outside, you know, Christmas lights. When I do like this, I just do a loop like this. How crazy. But I'm nearsighted, so I don't see very good. What is this? What is? I can't. It's pretty funny. Oh man, the wine is almost over. But I will buy this like beer that's very weak, you know, but it will last me until tomorrow. It's 9 o'clock, you know, so I'll take a sleeping pill and fucking, you know, if I don't have the wine, there's no fucking purpose, you know. There's no purpose. It's playing through me, through the Persienner. I don't know what you call it. The ones that you have in the window. That's why I see the light through different layers like this. Where were we? Yes, let's go to this. Yeah, Tinfoil wanted to know symbology. Yeah, this is good. Take your leg like this if you have back problems. This is good position, and then you can twist it like this. Like this. Your leg on the other leg. Like this. And just do like this, that. But that's from the guitar playing shit, you know, many years. Yeah, Tinfoil wanted to know about symbology, you know, secret stuff. I can do that because I've been studying that since, well, what do we have now? 2018, 19, 2018, let's say. Since and I'm talking about hours, man, a day, not not like once a week. Talking about hours, but I mean, either you, if I'm gonna do that, I mean, you can watch like David Icke, listen to Jordan Maxwell, look at the documentaries I have, and it's 3 videos. Um, it's really good. They talk about this. It's 3 hours each episode, so that's 9 hours. And watch Maxwell Wembley, that's 10 hours. And give like Maxwell like maybe I don't know, a year. And I have a lot of stuff, a lot of books I can recommend about this. But if I'm gonna do that, I want to do it good. I don't want to sit here and this means this means that. Because this is complex stuff. Because we're gonna go to, where is the beginning? Why is the pentagram, and why is it the penta, and what is this etymology and all this? This is years. You understand? I don't just want to sit and you have to prepare those things. But watch Kininigan, watch Russian vids, watch what more? Well, but there's a lot of books, but they talk about this in Sage of Quay. They have episodes of the symbology of like JFK assassination, with the 9/11 attacks. But I have to prepare this. I can do I don't know more than these people. If I'm gonna do that, I want to do like a compressed version then. So but the triangles, that's as I wrote to you to info, that's like, I don't want to go into this. I want to do it better, but it's a satanic, okay? Do you understand now? When it was interconnected, there was a symbiosis between God and man. And then they put the other triangle over the other one, and that means satanic. Man is over God. That is what it means, okay? So now you know. And he asked about this. I'm on the other side now. Fucking, and the other woman was on here. This is 69. It says root 69, okay? That means, well, it's a prostitute bar in Bangkok, okay? But it comes from root 66. But then you have to understand what root 66 means. Why? Then you can search for, why do you call your road route 66, right? So they only did it route 69. I mean, I don't know if I have to explain this, but you know what 69 position is, when you are with a woman, so they only make like a comedy out of it. I don't know if you understand this. If you don't, you can ask me. We can go into 66 if you want to. Numerology, etymology, if you want to go into this stuff. But then we're going to serious stuff, man. Then there's no kidding around anymore. 13, as I told you. No, no, so G, God, in the Mason. That's the alphabet, and then you continue. You can look it up yourself and calculate it, right? QPRST, that's Cristo. That's Cristo. Right, in the alphabet. The alphabet is encoded with symbols and metaphors. Cristo is Greek, is oil, okay? Abra, ABC, abracadabra, ABC. That's come from Hinduism and also Nordic. The rune scripts. You have it's Aton. It's like that's the god in Egypt, for example, but that was not the start, you know. Aton, that's when you have the atoms, Aton, and then you have can play a song, play Aton. That's from the Egypt. That was the god in Egypt, okay? And we have the same symbology in the Nordic mythology. Very, very similar. But as I said, if I want to go into this, then I want to make it a different episode and prepare, you know. I can't just improvise this. It's too difficult, you know. It's just gonna be 3 hours of me sitting but I have all the information, and I will blow your fucking mind. And I will blow your fucking mind if you want to know this shit. But watch Santos Bonacci's video about 2 hours lectures about rune scripts, the alphabet. Look at that. And I don't know if I could provide any more information than that, you know. He already did it, so I don't know why I need to do it, you know. That guy's not an idiot, you know. I like Santos. I will write to him again, I think. Alright, it's getting too long. See you later.